Shiba Inu's down. You're looking around, probably figuring out what's going on in the overall crypto market. I'm going to talk to you and give you some insight into A, Shiba Inu's price action, and B, the overall market, why it's down, why crypto's down over 1.3% right now, and take a look at a few things. But I'm also going to give you an interesting little tidbit about somebody or an organization who just bought $147 million worth of Bitcoin. Why should you care if this is a SHIB video? You should care because, again, it proves a point that we'll talk about here in a little bit. So as you can see on the screen here, SHIB down about 1.7%, give or take. And it's really a direct corollary to the overall market being down 1.25%, crypto crossing back into that 1.04 trillion. We just need this number to go up, don't we? We need to get out of this narrative and out of this scenario that we continue to be in, where there's just all this fear and uncertainty and doubt. And look right here where my mouse is, 38 is our fear index. And we're going to be here for a while, guys. I think we're going to be here absolutely for the remainder of September, probably maybe into the first week of October or so. And then we kind of see how and what's going to play out in October. So I want to show this to you. This is something I've been talking about for a while. Bitcoin sinks below, 27,000 after the Fed signals, quote, keeping rates higher and longer. Okay, so this is what spooked everybody last week going into the weekend. And I think it's what is continuing to keep people really, quite honestly, afraid of what's going to happen or not. Are they going to continue just to see this kind of bleeding out that we've seen for a while? And if we look at kind of what's going on over on the stock market, you can see that the narrative's playing out here as well. Dow's down 118. It was down on Friday. And it's right here. Stocks struggle to shake off Fed rate worries. Okay, so this is, again, really, it's this, right? So that's the fear of the Fed keeping the rates higher and longer that's driving crypto, I think, along with stocks in this kind of negative, somewhat of a tailspin movement down. Okay, so if we take a look at SHIB on the TradingView chart, you can see here we've really been in this consolidation phase for quite a while. This is my software, X1 algo, momentum up, momentum down. You can see it's been perfectly doing everything it needs to do. Like right here, it gave momentum up. That's not going to be a huge amount of up right there. It's like a 3% move up. So you can see right there. And then it gave momentum down, obviously alerting people that, hey, it's time to basically kind of move on and maybe sell if you're looking at doing some swing trades or things like that. Bitcoin, very similar, momentum up, momentum down. Links in the description below if you want to pick it up. There's still a discount code down there to get a pretty significant discount off of it. There's a 30-day money back guarantee right here, so you really have nothing to lose. You get your money back without any questions asked if you're interested in that. So you basically get to take it for a test drive for 30 days, effectively for free. If you don't like it, you get your money back. And that discount getting down there takes it to $37 is what the price is, which is $1.23 a day. Okay. So is your investing strategy and maybe trying to pick up some additional money by maybe doing some stock trades? Again, I made some good money right in here with my software. Like on this, I rode this one up and made about 4, 5, 6%. But there's some even better ones that have been going on with Apple. Obviously, this is Apple. Netflix, you can see it's right here. So you can use this on, but look at this. Look at it right here, how it gave an indicator here for Netflix. This is about a 4% move up. But then more importantly, it said sell, and that reduced a 12% loss. Okay, so links in the description below. Pick it up. All right, so here's what I wanted to show you. Bitcoin. MicroStrategy has just bought $147 million worth of Bitcoin. Why is this relevant? Why am I showing this in a Shiba Inu video? Well, look, here's the thing. I talk about this all the time, and I talk about a very simple analogy, very simple thing, that the smart money buys in when things are bad, when things are red, when things suck. Let's call it what it is. So the fact that MicroStrategy is going even more and buying even more Bitcoin at these price levels, by the way, 26,000 says a couple of things. Number one, they like these price levels. And number two, they're putting $147 million more into Bitcoin buying in. And we only really know this because it's MicroStrategy, right? We know that they are one of the most preeminent obviously Bitcoin maxis out there. So what's the relevance to Shiba Inu and me telling you this? Again, money comes into crypto when crypto is in the red. This is when you should be buying. You don't buy, you don't FOMO in on the green candle days. Okay. So I'm only really using that as an illustrative point to say, hey, this is something you need to be aware of. Does crypto right now suck? Has it sucked for a while? Yes. We've all been here. I've been here every day with you, riding this pain train, if you will. Oh, I like that. I'm going to use that some more. The pain train. That's mine. If anybody ever says that, that's mine. We're riding the pain train. Okay. So anyway, that's all I got for you right now. Pick up my software down in the description below. Take it for a 30-day test drive. Check it out. I'll see you. Have a good one.